To apply depth effect to lock screen wallpaper in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select personalization, and after that you can click on your lock screen right here. Go to customize, and after that you'll be able to enable depth effect. Keep in mind that this will only work for some wallpapers and there's need to be a prominent 3D object on the image. And now we can move around this object or entire wallpaper actually, and that way it will go on top of the widget. So as you can see, it hides a bit of the widgets and everything on the screen, and it gives it like something like an 3D look to it. We can then apply it. Now if you have a problem where you cannot do that, the depth is disabled, go back to personalization page and select wallpaper carousel. From here, make sure that the wallpaper carousel is deactivated. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.